DeWalt and Milwaukee working side by side. How y'all doing today? So, I got these finish screws, which I probably shouldn't technically use them for this. I'm proclaiming to not be any type of finish carpentry or residential. I do rough form carpentry, form bends for concrete, Simon forms, slip form concrete, rough forms out of 2x dimensional and 3/4 inch OSB type stuff. So this ain't my specialty, but I caulk these pieces behind here, and as you see, I'm gonna do a little cleanup here in a little bit. But the point is, Gen 3 Milwaukee M12 fuel hammer drill alongside Milwaukee or DeWalt's best impact driver, the DCF 860. This has got the 1.7 amp hour power stack, and this has got the 5 amp hour high output. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill a hole. This is 3/16 bit, and I'm kind of angling it down on my pilot holes about every 8 inches to a foot type thing. Depending on where I hit. This is a very old house, so everything's gonna be ideal or perfect. You can see pre-pilot hole. Kind of preset the finish screw, which these are power trim finished trim head screws. I think a T10 bit. The 860 is in speed 1. It will not impact. As you can see, just barely gets it in there. Instance name, trim head screws. Well, mustard and ketchup working side by side. Never thought you'd all see today, huh? Alright, I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Coming out soon is the Craftsman brushless RP router video. Once again, thank you for watching.